Guys, I came outside. It is a kind of a crisp evening. It's kind of cool. Logan has got a fire going.
Not really.
I'm not sure what he's doing. Should have broke those up better.
I ain't got no.
But he likes to play in the fire pit. I don't know why. But it's something about fire that he likes. Check out the sunset, guys. The sun sets usually over by these hills in the summer. But now that it's going into winter, it's all the way over there. It's a pretty sunset. Smell that smoke. It's a full moon, guys. It's a beautiful moon. Right in the daylight, too. It's pretty. Cool. I have to get up here to show everybody the moon because it's right there. Pretty cool.
Get the fire going.
You gonna get it going?
What's she doing?
I don't know. Well, guys, we got another rain system coming. They're saying this one could cause a lot of flooding too. You can see it's late evening. It's almost 6 o'clock. And the clouds have rolled in. They're even talking flash floods again, but we'll see if that happens, right? It didn't happen last time. We're getting a little bit of rain. You can see it, just a little bit of it on my Durango. But just a cloudy, drizzly day so far. But they're saying that we're going to get a lot of rain, so we'll see what happens. Tomorrow we might be feeding Polo in the rain, guys. We'll have to see what happens. See if you can see the yard just a little bit. There is a lot of water down here, guys. The road out there, it's got a lot of water on it. You see it's cloudy, still raining. We have gotten a lot of rain today, guys. Crazy amount of rain. Our whole yard right here, you probably can't see it yet. It's not light enough for the GoPro, but it's flooded. There's water running down the road. So we did get a lot of rain this time. Look how much water we got this rain today, guys. The yard is just like flooded. It's still raining a little bit. The road's got water actually running down the middle of the road. So we got quite a bit of water. A lot of rain. I don't know if it's over or not. I mean, it looks like the clouds are breaking up. You can see over there. So it looks like it may be over. But the yards are just flooded in water. I don't know if you can see. There's water everywhere. Look at that. So we had a pretty good rain. Good rain.
Well, we got some rain. Bunch of rain, which we're flooded. Oh, wow. You don't like the water, huh? Yeah, it's all flooded. Whoa. Really. Wow. Guys. Oh my God. Oh no. Guys, I need to go get some tools and it washed up that big old rock. Wow. Here, I'm gonna see if I can get it out. Oh, nope. That's really deep, guys. Wow. Look. Wow. So deep. Everything's flooded. Imagine how much the water's up. Gee, you can't tell if anybody's coming because there's like water. Wow. Look at this side, guys. Wow. I don't want to hurt myself, but yeah. That's really deep, guys. And I'm kind of scared to stand in this one because Flooded. All flooded. But I got a little thing going so we don't get, our roads don't get flooded. Only our ditches. Oh wow, you probably can't even see it. Yeah, you can see it's all flooded. This is our road. Like, I'm not even in the ditch. This is just a bunch of water. Wow. Flooded. Wow. Here. Look. Wow. I'm gonna get back up in the driveway. But Mike told me to show y'all out back. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna check on the sheep. The water's there's Polo. Hi Polo! Hi Polo! Wow. Hi Polo! You liking this rain? Whoa, no. No, you can't jump on me. No, you can't jump on me. Look, if I had my four-wheeler. Oh, wow. Deep. We got flooded. This is just me walking. It used to be like so dry. It's flooded. This is just normal ground. This is crazy, guys. We got a massive rain and it's a little bit chilly out, but I get hot really easy. Nice to me. But I'm gonna go get a tool and oh, that's deep, and see if I can get that big old rock out. And you can see, wow, look at this. This is the deepest hole, flooded. I have to, if I just walk normally, wow, look how deep it is on my boots. Oh, geez. Whoa, that was a little deep. Let's see. Wow. It's deep, guys. How deep is it? Wow. You can see that it's, ew. I thought that was just mud. You can see, guys, this is just flat ground. Flat ground. You should see the rest of it, and wow. Remember how deep this hole used to be, guys? Now it's, I gotta watch out right here. Wow. Power box good? Yeah. Ooh, oh. Look at the go pin, guys. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here because I don't want to be stepping on mud poop because Polo. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a tool and then I'm gonna clean that drain out.